Series, chapter number 1 set. I am myself Ajay Mukherjee, MSc ML, Master of Science, Master of Education. I am telling you exercise 120. This is the question in here. Write all subsets of the subsets. The question is subsets. The question is here. How can we write the subsets? The question is there. A is equal to in the curly bracket 1, 2. This is the 3, 4, and 5. These are elements. This is also one of the elements. This is also element. This complete also an elements, and this is also an element. So elements are given. 4 elements are given here. So if we have to find the number of subsets, the formula is equal to 2 raised to n. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. So we are taking 2 raised to 4. So 16 subsets are there. So now write down the 16 subsets. The first subset is equal to 5. The first subset is 5, and now you write as the single elements. 1 is there in the curly bracket, 2 is single element in the curly bracket, and this is the 3, 4. The 3, 4 is also there. In the here we are taking the first of all 5, then 1 in this bracket, 2 is also bracket, and 3, 4 also in this bracket. Here you write down a bracket also. This complete is an element, this is an element, so this is 3, 4 with bracket. Again you take into a bracket and 5 in the bracket. Single element in the bracket. First of all 5, 1 in the bracket, 2 in the bracket. This complete 3, 4 with bracket in the bracket, and 5 also bracket. And now we are taking on to the two elements together. 1, 2 inside the bracket, 1, and this is 3, 4 with bracket, also taking into the bracket. 1, 5 also in the bracket, same as we discussed into 2 and 3, 4. These two taking together, 2 and 5 also together, and lastly this is this one and this one also together. First of all we are taking single element, and the second case we are taking the two element together. 1, 2 in the bracket, 1 and this in the bracket, 1 and 5 in the bracket, 2 and 3, 4 in the bracket, and 2 and 5 in the bracket, and at last this and this also in the bracket. Now the next case we are taking the 3, 3 together, 1, 2 and this in the bracket. This is 1, 2, 5 also in the bracket, 2, this one and 5 also in the bracket, and then 1, 3, 4 and 5 in the bracket, and at last these 1, 2, 3, 4 are in the bracket. So total, look at this total: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 subsets are there. Here is we are taking the 16 subsets. How we make the subset? Making the subset is one of the system is there. This is the formula: 2 raised to power n, and n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is put here 4. So 16 subset are there. And first, in the first line we are taking 5 and single elements 1. Single element 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, and 5 in the bracket. Fit 2, 2 together. 1, 2, 1. This is 3, 4, 1, 5. This is 2, 3, 4, and 2, 5 in the. And then in the third line, 3, 3 together. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the bracket, and then 1, 2, 5 in the bracket. 2, 3, 4, 5 in the bracket. 1, 3, 4, 5 in the bracket, and at last 4 are there. These are the called subsets. So I am telling you what is the difference between the. Here I am telling you what is. This is called contain. This is called contain to, and this is called belongs to. And this we have to discuss these two, how these two are behaved. Now in the bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this is the 1, this is 2, this is the 3, 4, and 5. These are called elements. And 4 elements is always we are taking belongs to. And these are called subsets. 4 subset we are always discuss as contain to. So now I am taking here is a question I am making here. Is it that true false? This is question as true or false. The statement is true or false. We have to discuss here. Look at this is 3, 4 with the bracket, with single bracket. Here this is contain to. No, this is not. Look at this is 3, 4 with bracket. Always belongs to, because this is element. These are called elements, and elements always belong belongs to situation, and these are called the subset, and subset is always this is the contained to condition. So this is the element is there, and element is always belongs to, but here we are taking the, here is the element, and element we are taking the contained to, so this statement is false. Now we discuss about the second statement. This is the 3, 4 with a single bracket here. Look at this is 3, 4 with a single bracket. This is the belongs to, and the situation is also belongs to. The second statement is correct. Now we discuss about the third statement. Here is a bracket with 3, 4 and one more bracket is there. Means this is the subset is there. Look at this is subset. Here is this is subset, and subset is always contained to. So here is also contained to condition. This is also correct. And now we discuss on to the one. One is called as a belongs to is here, and one is the element. These are the element. This one, this one, this one, and this one are elements. And so element is always belongs to. So one belongs to A. This situation is also correct. And at last one is contained to A. This situation, look at this is called subset, and subset is always contained to. So one contained to A, this is absolutely wrong, because one is always belongs to. So this situation is also false situation. So one of this question is here, children. Yeah, this is a question, one of the relation between the contained to and belongs to. I think so. The elements is always elements. These are the called elements, and elements always belongs to. And this is called as a subset, and subset is always contained to. One of the, this is the question, and after discuss this question, we are going on to the next question. The next situation also is there. So in the next question, I write down the question here. So exercise is a question is contained to, or this is the not contained to, the question is here. So I write down the question is here. First is equal to, I am taking this is the A, B, C inside the bracket, and then after in the here is called in the B, C, D. Here I am taking a B, C, D. So now you can now what side is there? Here is a B, C, and B, C, D. Here is a B is there, and this is also B is there. C is there, C is there. But A, look at this is A is here, but A is not there. It means this is not subset of this. If this completely inside it, then this is called, this one is contained to this. Here is A, but here is not A. So this situation is called not contained to, because if this one is completely subset of this, then we are taking contained to, or otherwise we are taking not contained to. This is the situation, one of the question. And one more question also write down here. Second one is equal to x every x is a triangle. X every x is a triangle. X every triangle in a plane, and then sign is there. Here is a x every x is a rectangle is the plane. X every x is a rectangle in a plane. So one of the situation also contained to or not contained to, x every x is a triangle in the plane, and here is a, I am again repeating this, x every x is a triangle in the plane. प्लेन के अंदर ट्राइंगल आपको दे रखा है, और इधर दे रखा है x every x is a rectangle in the plane. ट्राइंगल मीन्स यहाँ जो फिगर आएगा उसकी 3 साइड्स आएंगी इस तरह से, और यहाँ जो फिगर आएगा उसकी 4 साइड्स आएगी. तो 3 साइड का 4 साइड के साथ में कोई रिलेशन नहीं होता. तो ये सिचुएशन जो है वो इसका सबसेट नहीं है. तो यहाँ भी यही लगेगा, नॉट कंटेन्ड टू का साइन लगेगा कि ट्राइंगल जो होता है वो रेक्टेंगल के अंदर नहीं आता. तो जितने भी ट्राइंगल है वो 3 साइड के होते हैं, और ये रेक्टेंगल 4 साइड का होता है. इस वजह से ये नॉट कंटेन्ड टू होगा. यहाँ सिचुएशन क्या बननी चाहिए, इधर रेक्टेंगल होना चाहिए और इधर जब इधर रेक्टेंगल होगा 4 साइड का और इधर क्वाड्रिलेटरल होगा तो कंटेन टू को डिस्कस करेगा। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन आल्सो। The next question is equal to, now the children write the all subset. This question is there. One more question is in the book, NCERT book. There write down the all subsets. Write all subsets of the question. Write down the all subsets. For the all subsets for the question is there. Here is a is equal to given below 1, 2, 3. So already I have told you how can we write the subsets. For writing this for subsets we have to consider here number of sets. The formula is number of subsets is equal to, this is the formula for the numbers. Already I have told you 2 raised to power n. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3 elements are there. So write down here 2 raised to 3. So subsets are there 8. So number of subsets is equal to 8 subsets we have to write here. First subset is equal to 5. Then write down single element in the bracket 1, then 2, and then 3. Single element into the bracket, and now we are taking 2 element together. 1, 2 into the bracket, then 2, 3 into the bracket, and 1, 3 is in the bracket. And at last 3 element together. So write down here 1, 2, 3. So total subsets are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets are there. 2 element together. 1, 2 is in the bracket. 2, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 2. This is called we have to write the subsets. And subsets always, when we talk about the subset, and subset always sign of the represent as contain to, and these are the elements. For example, 1, 2, 3, and these always condition is there, belongs to condition represented. So next question we have to discuss here. Next question of exercise 1.3 related to previous one. So how many? A question is there. A is equal to given below. A is equal to 5. How many? This is the question. How many elements in power of A? Power set को represent करना. How many elements in power of A? A is equal to 5. So A is equal to, this is given below 5. Now the write down the number of subsets of this. Number of subsets. Number of subsets, only number of subsets is the one subset is there. This is the 5 is there. इसका एक ही subset बनेगा 5. Power set लिखने के लिए, power of लिखने के लिए आप subset को bracket में put करोगे. 5 inside the bracket लिखेंगे. और इसके elements लिखने के लिए number of elements और पावर ऑफ ए के एलिमेंट्स लिखोगे तो वो आंसर आएगा. ब्रैकेट के अंदर एक ही है 5 है, तो एक एलिमेंट्स इसका आंसर आएगा 1. इस तरह से लिखा जाता है, पावर से एलिमेंट्स लिखे जाते हैं. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो मैं एक और क्वेश्चन आपको बता रहा हूँ. इसका इंटरवल लिखना कैसे सिखाया जाता है. राइट द इंटरवल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट इंटरवल्स को लिखेंगे. इंटरवल्स ऑलरेडी गिवन बिलो. सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में आपको दे रखा है x एवरी x बिलोंग्स टू r, और यहाँ वैल्यू दे रखी है x की वैल्यू दे रखी है ग्रेटर देन -4 बट लेस देन इक्वल टू 6 दे रखा है. इस इंटरवल को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा? इंटरवल को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में इंटरवल गिवन बिलो है. इस इंटरवल को शॉर्ट में रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू, बता दिया, फिर भी मैं आपको रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ. ये x इज ग्रेटर देन का साइन लगा हुआ है, एक ही साइन लगा हुआ है तो -4 लिखेंगे. ग्रेटर देन का साइन है तो स्मॉल ब्रैकेट आता है. ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन के लिए चिल्ड्रन हमेशा स्मॉल ब्रैकेट ही आएगा. और यदि ये वाला साइन हो, ये दोनों साइन लगे हो, सॉरी ये वाले साइन लगे हो तो इसके लिए स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट का साइन आता है तो -4 की तरफ स्मॉल ब्रैकेट लगेगा. और यहाँ 6 दे रखा है, 6 की तरफ क्या है, यदि लेस देन इक्वल टू का साइन है तो ये वाला ब्रैकेट लगेगा. दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ इंटरवल को रिप्रेजेंट करने का तरीका ये. एक और इंटरवल को रिप्रेजेंट करके दिखाता हूँ। सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में भी आपको रिप्रेजेंट करना है। जैसे आपको दे दिया एक इंटरवल दिया हुआ है, डायरेक्टली ये दे दिया माइनस का 3,0 है। राइट डाउन दिस इंटरवल इनटू द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा, इस इंटरवल को इस फॉर्म में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। सो चिल्ड्रन इसका तरीका है x एवरी x बिलोंग्स टू r लगेगा और x की वैल्यू कहाँ जा रही है, देखिए x की वैल्यू जो है -3 से 0 की तरफ जा रही है, तो x ग्रेटर देन -3, x -3 से ज़्यादा है और 0 तक पहुँचेगा नहीं, लेस देन 0, और ये ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो गया। इस तरह से इंटरवल को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। ये इंटरवल आपको सीधा शॉर्ट फॉर्म में दे रखा है और ये सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में दे रखा है। यहाँ सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में था, उसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लेकर आए और अब आपको मैंने ये बता दिया कि पहला जो स्टेटमेंट यही जाएगा x एवरी x बिलोंग्स टू r। x कहाँ से कहाँ तक है, x -3 से 0 तक है, तो x ग्रेटर देन -3 और लेस देन 0। इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में। तो नेक्स्ट है चिल्ड्रन, इसके बाद में ये एक्सरसाइज 1.3 ऑलरेडी हमने आपको बता दिया, डिस्कस कर दिया कि एक्सरसाइज 1.3 में क्या है। तो एक्सरसाइज 1.3 आई थिंक सो कि आप इसे अच्छी तरह से एक्सरसाइज को कर लोगे। ओके चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज 1.3। कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज एट होम।